Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's put the music a little bit down. How are you guys? I'm happy to see you tonight as well. We're continuing to improve Prwn app. Don't forget, go on the Prwn app and subscribe for the coming soon email. We will basically send an email once the app is going on. Just type in prwn.app and you'll be redirected here. Enter your email. You'll also get the Discord link in there, so you can talk with us on the Discord community. Happy to see you there. I will talk to you there, and you will also be announced when the lives are coming, when we are doing more lives. So with that being said, let's get back to our payings. We are having already a lot done, and we are now going to modify the settings panel into a model. Okay, so we will remove it from here, from the right panel, but we will have a model very good looking. Hopefully Claude will do a very good job at creating this. We are also having the terminals, which are resizable right now. They were very scrambled because the text which is written by the Claude, it's not basically written in the whole terminal. Okay, so if you are having it that width, when you resize it, it will have scrambled text. So right now I've done that. Hopefully it's working. We will see how it's going tonight. I still see some things here. This text, for example, which you see, it's a lot of text in the right, but we'll investigate soon if that is a problem. For example, this is a earlier session in iTerm, in another terminal, not in the app. So this is how it would like. Hi Limited, how are you, bro? So this is what we need to look for in the coming stream. So if this is working, maybe we are doing a great job. You see, Limited, everything is good now. This is another terminal. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we need to focus from now on and see if everything behaves as it should. We also reduced a little bit the padding in the right and left, so you have more room here, and all the text is going through the whole terminal without any padding, so you have more room on seeing what Claude says. Okay, yeah, I don't know, bro, it's not that laggy. I mean, it's a normal refresh, I think, isn't it? I think maybe the stream is freezing. Yeah. Let me see what's happening. It works good now or not? Perfect. So let's go ahead and decide here. We also implemented the local terminal, local model. So for example, in real time, I cannot see here because I haven't set the OpenAI yet. But if you're going here into AI Assistant in the real-time session, we have the local model. So the summaries and everything are set by the local model, and everything is working like before. For example, if I'm setting here the local model, we need to download it, and we will see the progress. So nice here. It will download it in our PC. This is using Olama. From what I know, I forgot about it, and now it's ready. So let's see, let's have the Telegram here in the right side, and then let's minimize this. Let's make it three terminals here, and then let's give it it's freezing again. It's freezing for all of you guys or not? Now we should receive the let me see, the message from the summary. It seems like summary and next steps is not working as it's supposed to be. Let's see this one, merge. So this is what the model said. Let's make this one bigger. Two threads, local summary, fixed chain was promoted. Let me shut down the Telegram. Maybe this is why it's freezing. Okay, so let's review why this is not working so well. Please see why it's generating bad summaries. Bad summary. This was the summary. And this is the out from the terminal. Okay, let's see what's going on. And then we have to decide the AI for the AI assistant. We also have a local model, but it seems like the model we are using for the small LLM, it's hallucinating because it's a very small model and it doesn't have capabilities to basically launch the terminals or emit the launches and everything. So maybe we do the Quen. Grok that it's fast. It's a local model or I know that I am also having a subscription with X, but the idea was to make a local model and use nothing as a key. Yeah. Nematron for AB. Let's go a little bit on the artificial and decide together. Maybe also I don't want to be that heavy, so let's see what's here. We need the small models. So the Nematron, this is one. The Nano. Oh, this is 9B. But we will need 4B, right? I think here is the 4B. This one. Yeah, exactly. 4B, it's lower. Let's see what Claude suggests. It suggests Quen 2.57B. But I think, yeah, the Nematron will be better. This one. Let's see what's the size. Where it displays the size. Files and versions. Let's see. Oh my god, it's 8 gigabytes. It's a little bit heavier. Maybe we should try 3.5. Let's see what was the speed of 3.5. That is 6 gigabytes. 4 bit. But this is the one, right? I'm having the bad. Let's see the quantitative one. Let's see the quantized one. Maybe we get something smaller. So all of these are 4B. I see this one, it's more downloaded. Let's see the most downloads. LM Studio. It's 2 gigabytes. Let's see also the other one. Maybe I haven't looked where it should. No. It's do you have the link? Let's look where we can sorry guys, I'm a little bit slow today. Let's see if we find here the 3 gigabytes. No, I think this one is this is the saved answers. Yeah. Yeah. No, I cannot see the link. We still have the bug, bro. You see on the smaller screens, everything is good. But here on the upper parts, sometimes it's smaller. And I tested yesterday and it worked so well. Now it's not working at all. Thank you, bro. I'll look immediately. Just a second. Because I want to try here. Yeah. Each terminal should have basically max size in width, but when it's minimized, for example, in a tile, it will show only that width that the user sets. So basically we'll show just a emulation of the bigger terminal. Let me check the Discords. Oh, this one, yeah. This one, as I was looking at it earlier. So we have it here. The quantized one. Guys, what's going on? So we have the quantized model, and it is the LM Studio. This one, and I think you gave me the 4 bits, right? Yeah, that one. Let me also try and see the link you sent to me. I think it's the same. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same one. Okay, let's use this one and let's see what it can do, okay? I'm using a quantized model from Olama right now, but it's really shit. Let's ask actually. So this one, small LLM. I don't know what he downloaded. I think it's a family compact language model available in Prwn. I don't know why it used this one. Where is this from? Why it took that one? I don't know. And the file is 3.42 giga. So this one will be smaller and maybe better. For Fisher visual reply, I think you go with this 7B model. This is new too. Gemma 4 E4B. Let me see. Is this here? You said the 7B, right? So Gemma for A4B. Oh, nice. That's good. This one? Okay, I'm looking now. J1 is a family of open, okay, deep minds. 2.9 million downloads. Wow. Okay, bro. But maybe let's use this one. Let's compare them. Hello? Okay, we're back, guys. Good. So let's add the music again. I think downloading the model is taking a lot of RAM and usage, and that's why we don't hear again the music. But now we can hear it. Perfect. So what we will do, we'll compare the Gemma 4 AB with the Nemotron, and now it's downloading in the background, so that's why the stream is laggy a little bit. Sorry for that. Now it seems like Nemotron 4B results big step up from 17B on the assistant, mixed on summary, run the test correct, launch in Prwn. Which essentially question correct answer. Topcalls is busy, the one haven't hallucinating here. Open to lint plus build, both launches real prompts. Tell S2 to commit correct assign to, but added a redundant launch mirror over action. Summary, freeform bad. Nemotron is a reasoning model. It thought out loud. We need to output so something like and lick its chain of code in the summary. Also 14 seconds. It's slower, literally. Why the split? The JSON schema forces the output to start with, so the orchestrator path can emit a thinking preamble, but the freeform summary path can. It seems like it's a little bit slower, bro. The Gemma. Oh no, it didn't test the Gemma, sorry. It was the Nematron, which is very slow. Let's see the Gemma one. Let's test Gemma and see how it is doing. And now let's also correct this. One thing, yes. Yeah. Let's see the Gemma. Maybe it'll be faster. Is this speed here or not? Okay. There is no speed on Gemma. Neither on the Nematron. Let's see what this is saying. So we have Nematron with 4B and Gemma with E4B size, and then okay, loads requires Jinja, we already passed it. Summary, clean, accurate, 11 seconds, clean. So Gemma, it's a little bit faster. No, it already did a test. Thank you so much for offering this. It seems like Gemma, it's a little bit faster, but it's also double in size. And let's see the other things. Clean sign, 2 terminals, lint plus build, bus, okay. Behavior reasoning model, slower. Need schema to suppress, think aloud. Instruction model, faster tire. Bot do summary and assistant well once the summary output is schema constrained to. Differences that matter. Gemma wins on judgment plus speed. It's the only one that encountered the sign case cleanly. Oh, okay. So maybe we remove the reasoning from Nematron, right? Oh, so you said to remove from on the Gemma. Let's see. Verify first sweep or remove symbols. Okay. Okay. So it's a lot slower, right? Wow, so Gemma is slower. Okay. Um, he says that Gemma is faster than Nemotron. But I think you deactivated the reasoning on Nemotron, right? Oh, okay. He did some tests and he says that Gemma is faster. Let's see how we fix the terminal, okay? What we are doing now is not working. I was thinking it's working, but it didn't. Yeah. We will use Gemma, the best one. I don't remember why I started this one. Oh yeah, it was the local model not working good for the summaries. But now we will change that, so we don't need this anymore. But no problem. We'll see the settings one. We'll have a model here that is wider, and it shows all the settings in that panel, so we don't need to go to all of this here. And then let's see the actual terminal, if it's working, to not have these situations anymore. It's really bad to see the text like this. It's definitely something we need to deep research on it. Yeah, what I'm using. I'm using the hooks, and the tiles also emit a signal to the local LLM when the turn finished, or to the Claude. So then after finish, it creates these summaries. and then it sends to the Telegram, and we can have everything in Telegram. But right now it's set on the local Olama model, so that's why it's basically not showing it right. I'll put it on Claude and use this for now. So now it's using the Claude. How are you guys? Let's go. Let's chat together. What are you building? Nice to see you here. I'm so happy we are building this together, guys. The app is not launched, but if you have a moment, go on the website. It's called Prwn.app, and then you'll be redirected to this coming soon page, and you actually go and get early access to the app when we are launching it. Okay. Oh, okay. So you are referring to the titles, titles. Sorry. Like here we are taking the Claude titles created by titles. For the terminals, you can add a text system where you can write what is happening in the terminal, or you can use AI for that too, for updated based on the current status. Yeah. That's good too. I think we can implement it later, but let's finish what's going on in here. Let's launch the app, and we'll do some more fixes on it. I'll be right back. One minute. Okay, guys, let's go. I'm back. The music stopped again. We'll see what's going on here. Definitely a lot of things happening behind in all these terminals. It seems like we need to do an upgrade. You see, these are beautiful summaries. So this is what we will want. Let's see if the terminal is working now. We're waiting for rebuild and we'll see exactly. Let's see if it's working after we rebuild the dev. It seems like it's taking a little bit longer to rebuild it. Oh, it already rebuilt it. Uh, yeah, we haven't done it yet for the Windows. So we'll do it for Windows as well, and we'll test on a virtual machine, the Windows version as well. Because I have parallels and I have a few instances of Windows, I can test it cleanly there. Is the part where we are trying to fix the terminal, bro. But what I observe is that the font is not responsive, and it's going bigger and bigger. What are you referring to? The fix with the grabble text? Yeah, no. I need to find a way to make the text much bigger and much slower when it's fully out. So we need to find and see what is going on. Because this is really not working this way. Okay, so it seems like there is a problem with the Claude. Let's see what's going on. We're having some issues. Maybe they are going to add Fable back again. Always before adding something back again, I encountered the issues like this. What do you think, guys? Don't forget, guys, go on the Prwn.app. You'll go to coming soon page. It will be redirected you here. Enter the email, and we will announce the app publicly when it will be live. Okay. So tonight it's France versus Senegal. Okay, guys. Who is looking at football, soccer? 3% chances to be launched today. 36 chances to be launched on next Monday. And July 1st, it's 70%. That's bad, guys. Fable was so good, bro. I'm really missing it, sincerely. Two distinct problems here. This is the inherent trade-off of fixed columns, fit font. Font is linear in width, not a bug. A model limit needs a better model. You want a research back deep dive before I touch the code. While research runs, gather the bug evidence. The live front fit boundary logs show exactly what each command produces. While research runs, let's go and do this again. Maybe it have much more informations. Yeah. What do you think? It was really able to handle security issues and problems? I don't think so. Yeah, maybe some guys did found a way to jailbreak it. Okay, guys, so it seems like Opus is having some problems. Oh, also, bro, I have done the shortcut ones. I forgot to show you. So here in the saved prompts, continue, please. If we are doing this and then we select Command Shift 1, you can go in the terminal and press this. and then you insert in the terminal. What do you think about this? I forgot about this. Okay, so it's working. We are back on track. Let's see. The limit already reset. Yes, I'm talking a bit about this same. Yes, it is, but it needed self-security for jailbreak. Yeah. I was literally working with it, and suddenly it was blocking me and switching back to opens in the middle of the task because it was thinking that I was doing something sketchy. So I don't see if these things which I've done were not really that problematic. It was really blocking me. So it was too hard to break it. Perfect. So now we can do this and wait max, and then everything passes in the terminal. Yeah, bro. So guys, let's create the biggest community yet on the vibe coding. If you are going to prwn.app, you will be redirected to the coming soon page. You add your email. You will be the first knowing that the app was launched, and you can use these beautiful features like the Telegram summary, spawning a new terminal from Telegram, the voice, which is already integrated directly in the app. You don't need to use Whisper Flow. We don't need to use anything else. The browser, which it can open local server links. You can see everything here inside the file system with the source control. So you see exactly what everything was modified in the commit. Okay, so for example here I can see that there are a lot of files that are modifying when something is going on, and it's updating. So here I also see in the description a Tori app. We need to modify that as well, but this will be before we are launching. Okay, then you'll have the AI assistant, which you can open the terminals, see the terminals opened, be announced when a terminal finishes and everything. Then you have the real time, which is a really nice feature, which I like, and I will use it so much, but I haven't yet because I'm testing different things. But literally, you can talk with it. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm good. For the investigation terminal, can you please write to find more?
Sure, let's find the right session for that. I'll check the running sessions and update it for you. I've sent the request to investigate the issue further. The session is now working on finding more details about the affected functions, logs, and dependencies. We'll get the results soon.
So now it said we need to investigate further. It created a prompt for you. You don't need to basically write anything. This is something that I needed for a long time. So I just speak with my personal assistant. He creates the prompts, and it sends to the terminal directly. I also implemented usage here, so you can see the usage exactly. This will be used with your OpenAI API key, so everyone can bring his own API key and have it. So go on the website, add your email. You will also get a Discord link. So on the Discord link, we'll share updates, we'll share news, we'll share also when the app will be launched, also when I'm going live again on YouTube. So let's go, guys. Let's meet together in the Discord channel. It seems like tonight Claude is having some issues, some problems. It seems like the status is not updated yet. It's already 30 minutes in, and it seems like elevated errors across many models. Let's use the shortcut. I forgot the shortcut. Okay, this is a really nice trick, bro, with the shortcuts. This is really good. Let's see what I had in here. Maybe this will be, yeah, this will be need to be finished. So we are going to, let's see and test the Gemma when it's done. Retire model cleanup, sub migration. Okay, so we will also have the cleanup. And then we'll test the Gemma 4B, and also the terminals. But let's see the research and if Claude is working tonight or not. Let's actually open a new terminal. Give me a handoff prompt so I research with Gemini. Let's open the AGI and see what's Google saying. And I'll keep the Gemini 3.5 Flash. Do you guys want to actually do another game tonight and test between them? But if Claude is not working, that will be a big problem. What is the issue with the assistant? We are having it in this terminal here. Claude is already working on that. Yeah. In this terminal, we are changing the model. And here in the left side, we are implementing the settings. So you are now a moderator, bro. So if something happens, just kick everybody. What's that? Bro, Gemini is crazy. Claude dispatch and agent to refactor settings. UI redirecting account menu, AI gear, and launch gear to use open settings, removing the launch settings, pop over and unused show settings code. Multi-file changes in progress. Claude is awaiting for agent to complete and will review the results. Perfect. Let's see what's going on this one. Recommend this is a real preventive AGN, not teeter today. Trigger probability is low, but the boundary is documented as security boundary and applied inconsistently. The moment a new cloud STT provider or the abuse guard relay lands, the unsanitized Telegram path becomes a live hole. Chip to close now. Patch directly on a branch with TDD, not a full sprint. The fix is one line apply path correctly transcribed, but doing it test once a tiny seam fraction pool. Okay, optional follow-up, a Prwn voice boundary log on the Telegram inject plus history parity, so this path stops being invisible. Want me to take the branch plus failing test first now. Let's use the AI assistant and see if this is working or not.
Here's what we found. Claude detected a control character injection vulnerability in the Telegram voice note handling. The fix
Okay, can you read the terminal with investigation and please answer directly to it to continue basically on what he found and actually fix everything?
Sure. Let me check which session has that investigation. I'll find out what it discovered and then help it move forward. I've instructed that session to proceed with the branch fix for the Telegram voice note sanitization gap. It's now working on extracting the helper, writing the test, applying the fix, and adding logging. We'll wait for its update.
Let's put the music down a little bit.
Understood. I'll keep my responses a bit quieter from now on. Just let me know if you need any other adjustments.
No, please shut up, please. So our stream live people are hearing you well.
Got it. I'll keep my responses at a comfortable volume now. If you need any further adjustments, just let me know.
It is better now. No, it didn't build. We'll test it soon. It takes a while, bro. It takes a while. We need to have patience. Because from what I saw, every feature, everything I'm doing right now, it takes a little bit more, like one 1 hour to 2 hours to do, because I'm doing big tasks, not really changing something smaller. And I have a structured way in the documents on how he needs to modify and also remove the orphan and also log everything, you know. So basically you see pending AI assistant runs on the local model, blah blah blah. We have everything we done, and we keep basically memories about what's happening in the app, what we modified, why we modified, and so on and so forth. So everything everything is documented. So Claude already started to implement the fixes in the terminal. We'll see what's going on and what's happening and if that works or not. But as I said, it takes a little bit more. This is why it takes so long, so much to launch, guys. Now is the hardest part where we are doing the final fixes before the launch, and we should be very careful on how we change, what we change, test it, and then provide for you guys a very good app. Maybe you can add an option to download from the listed model for the assistant based on the hardware capacity, because it's not possible to run one model in every hardware. Hi Hamza. We are basically having the custom agent built into the Prwn, and you can talk with it via text or real time to handle your terminals, your coding session, monitor them, insert answers, reply to the questions Claude have, and everything. And my whole way to do it, it's like about 21 sub agents that have specific roles, like I don't know, bug hunter, reviewer, Next.js builder, Next.js code quality reviewer, and so on and so forth. So I'm running on multiple sub agents, and Claude in the Claude MD files know when to use them or not. Yes, this is built in JavaScript. I'm using Tauri with Rust, and what else I'm using? And ShadyCN with Tailwind for the UIX, with React tiles, React bits, and yeah. Let's see what AGI is saying to us. So mathematical proof for mouse coordinate direction to translate scale viewports. Don't forget, guys, go on the website prwn.app and you'll be redirected to this page where you can enter the email. You click on the get early access, and then you will get access to the Discord as well. So we will meet you in the Discord channel. I'm so happy. Nobody knows. It's the 16th member of the community. Welcome here. Welcome into our chat. Let's go. Let's see what Claude did, and if is not working, bro, I will try to see what this approach will be done. Again, Claude crashed. Let's see what's going on the X. Oh, I'm not logged in. What the heck? Guys, I'll stay 30 minutes more. It's already 9 p.m. for me here. We'll see the terminal if it's working or not. If it's not working, I will try to fix it by tomorrow. And we will also see how the new local model assistant is working and how it's behaving in our app. So what I did for the summaries and everything, you see, um, we do have these summaries which are also sent to the Telegram, and you are receiving the Telegram summaries and next steps and everything, and you can also reply to the terminals as well. We are building also the local model, so you will not need Claude Codex or other any things. And now it will also be based on the local model, so you are not obligated to use your Claude usage. Also, this comes to supporting all the CLI tools like Open Code, Anti-Gravity, Gemini. Gemini is deprecated, but whatever. Codex, maybe Cursor CLI. You will be able to use all of them, not only Claude or Codex. So there is where I'm wanting to go. Let's see if we get into that point. It seems like the app, let me see, you cannot have all three at once. One the TUI is on the main buffer. Claude is it has hard break all screen. So model C, comfortable font band plus clip letterbox clamped to a readable band, always comfortable, adaptive scores, steady comfortable. I don't understand. What I should choose? Oh, okay. So Model C and Model D, they are also local. Hi, bro. Nice to see you here tonight. Thank you so much, bro. Let's go. I'll be here 30 minutes more. Limited. You are in the future or not? I mean, for me, it's 21. So it's like 9 p.m. I don't see how for you. Yeah, but how it's 11:28 because it doesn't make sense. You are also with the minutes ahead or Model D is the only one that gives you, okay, the catch. D depends on term clear, producing a clean result after Claude async repaint. That's timing sensitive and I can validate it headlessly. Once your Gemini research is back, if it doesn't surface a better path, a real way to force Claude. Yes. No, let's also give him the Gemini answers and then close this one. So we see here what's happening. Focus right panel completion sub implementer dispatch. So guys, what we are building today, I want to move the settings panel from here to another panel, which will be like dialogue over the app, where you can choose from the category you want to change and something, so you are not restricted only to this thing here in the right. Then we are trying to solve a bug where the text it's coming wrabbled in the left side if the terminal was minimized like this. Then we will also implement a local model, which will be the Gemma 4 4B on 4 bits. So let's see how these are working and how will be working. The assistant will be local and will not need the Claude or Codex and other things. So we make the app working on any other subscriptions you are having, like Cursor or Codex or I don't know, AGI. Move it to the left. No, I will have a dialogue over the app, so you'll see very good. But we are focusing to finish also those four more tasks, and I'll show it to you. Hopefully, it will finish in 30 minutes as well. Clean rebuild with a new feature. You test assistant with no Claude codex. The daemon redeploy for local summaries is old but kills live dev session. Let's see the dev sessions here. All green, voice, Telegram inbound, new test, zero fillers, zero regressions. Okay. That is old fashioned. I don't know, bro. I like that design. Why move it to the left and not having a dialogue? I think it will look nice and clean. Gemini nailed the mechanism better than my version, and I'm updating two of my assumptions on its evidence. The corruption is ink relative cursor map, not buffer type. But Gemini verdict. So what he says, I don't understand. This is Gemini alternative to Model C, which is undersold. It's actually the only model that fixes your complaint. Snap columns to a coarse bands, multiplies of 20, 509 pixel tile, 60 columns, 4 readable, comfortable text at every tile side within a band is fixed. Dragging a tile inside this band, 0 grabble, steady font. The only cost when a receipt crosses a band threshold, course changes once, 1 ink glitch. That's the unavoidable price, and it's rare. Let's see. But you do understand that for us to show the minimized tiles in a bigger, wider screen, it requires that we need to have before a wider screen where Claude was writing already and show that screen basically, but maybe not that wide. Let's see if it understands or not. Running the app, the clean app rebuild. Let's close this one yet because clean state other cell rebuild committed is bumped on top of my merge. Running the clean app rebuild 3. Gemma is pre-state, so it will be ready immediately. Okay, perfect. Yeah, bro, I mean, we'll have the same as the cursor. Let me show you. So cursor is having settings here, okay? So it will be, if you click on the profiles, it opens here in this thing. But what we'll have a pop-up basically into the settings, and with left menu, and in the right you can modify things. So this allows us to basically add more things into the settings and show more things. I have a dirty trick for it to make more context in it loaded, but there will only be part visible, which is normally showing right now. What trick are you referring to? Yes, I understand exactly, and you've put the finger on the real mechanism. Let me confirm. What's right? Your instinct to show a tile as a scaled-down view of wider table Claude has to have already been written in a wider screen. The width has to be fixed and established first, then the tile is just a window onto it. This is correct, and it is exactly why fixing the width kills the grabble. Claude keeps writing into the zone, blah blah blah, the heart of it, and this is the thing to internalize. Scaling the display of that wide screen doesn't make the text any bigger in a small tile than what you have now. Whether we get there by using a small font, today's matter, or by rendering a big font and shrinking the whole screen with a zoom scale. Same apparent size, the scaled version is actually worse because shrinking pixel blurs the text and it breaks click selection unless we bolt the coordinates. So switching from font scaling to picture scaling buys us nothing to readability and cost to sharpen. Bro, I don't think we need that, because as it explains here, you can read here. If we are writing to this size terminal first, and then from this terminal tile, we are minimizing to this, but the terminal is written directly in this size. When we make the terminals bigger or smaller, we'll have the same readability. So the reason is just arithmetic. Apparent text size columns shown plus tile width to make the text bigger in small tiles. The only lever is show fewer columns there. No rendering tricks gets around it. So a wider screen shown, maybe not that wide, splits into the two different. Not that wide, make load fixed. Yes, but actually, if you are showing me wait. Yes, but if you are showing me basically fewer columns, where Claude will write into 120 or 90 columns. Okay, so this is the local model. Let's see if it works to open or read the terminals. Let's see what's in there. So let's make sure we have set the local. Perfect. Redownload. But it's something is wrong. Bro, I can't wait to get Fable back. Opus is making a lot of huge mistakes. And it seems like it's idiot. Why it's showing 1 gigabyte. Right, you've caught the exact trap, and this is the crux. Let me make it precise. Show fewer columns only have if Claude is actually writing at fewer columns. If Claude writes into the 120 and the tile shows fewer, that clipping, that makes the whole thing a single honest knob. The column count Claude writes at, and there is exactly two ways to set it. Option A, one fixed width always. Claude writes at, say, 90 columns for its whole life. Every tile shows all 90 font scaled, no clipping, no grabbing, a small as 90 columns. Okay, a full width. Option B, width matched per tile bands. A small tile makes Claude write 60 columns, big readable. A wide tile makes Claude write 90. Okay, there is no third door. Claude writes wide plus small tile shows a big. This is a hard decision because I don't think it's right. The fix should be that you open all the terminals in max columns, okay? So let's say 180 columns. But when you are showing them in React tiles into our app, you are showing exact thing, but with bigger font, but constrained into that width. not constrained, but contained. Let's start again the dev and check the agent, and then I will shut down the stream. Continue in silence, go to eat something, and then we will see you tomorrow. Let's actually see what's going on here, guys. What's going on? No problem. Okay, so let's see if it's working or not. It still says 1 GB. I don't know why. I have to be straight with you because this is exactly can't work and the numbers prove it clearly. Let me show you. Then give you the real fix. 180 columns, bigger font, plus fit the tile is geometrically impossible for small tiles. To put 180 columns on screen, the line needs char width at a space font wide. A full width tile font equals okay 14 pixels. A small tile is 4.7 pixels, tinier than what we have now. For a genuinely bigger font, say 12 pixel, 180 columns needs of width. The trap is the word contained. Containing all 180 columns in a narrow tile is the small font. And is the one that gives you exactly what you keep describing. Wide when big, readable when small. Claude has to write fewer columns when the tile is small and more when it's wide. That's the bands. A small tile, Claude writes 6 columns. Yeah, but you don't understand what is the problem. The problem is that if Claude writes in 60 columns, then when I'm making that tile bigger, it actually show the text from the smaller tile, and the text is not going full width into a bigger tile, okay? It seems like this is idiot. It doesn't understand me, bro. So crazy. Okay, guys, I think I will land the plane here. I'm going to eat something, and we'll see you tomorrow at the same hour. We'll be here for another 2 hours tomorrow in the evening. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Thank you so much for watching our stream, building till $1 million and vibe coding on live stream. Take care, and I will keep you posted in the Discord. Don't forget, go to the website Prwn.app, coming soon page, enter your email, you'll get access to the Discord, and I will show you more things, what we have done in there, and maybe post some updates on where are we at, what MRR we are having, what how many free trials, and so on and so forth, so you get the whole path I took to build till 1 million. Thank you so much, guys, again. It was a pleasure to have you tonight. See you tomorrow. Peace.